Good morning. So I just got my groceries delivered and I just thought I'd show you a few of the things I got. So I've been using Instacart to get groceries delivered because I just personally don't want to actually go to the grocery store. So this is what I've been doing, and then I usually wipe things down if I'm going to be using them like right away, and then some things I just put away because we won't be using them for a while. A few things I got I'm excited to try is this Asian avocado. It just sounds amazing. So that will be really yummy. I got some things to make James a birthday cake because his birthday is 2 weeks from yesterday. So that will be exciting, but I don't want to show you because it's a surprise. Got egg noodles because I haven't had beef stroganoff in forever, and it's one of my absolute favorite things. So we're making it tonight, and I'm really excited. I also got three more salad kits. So this one's new, I haven't tried, sunflower crisp. And then this one I have tried, and it's amazing, chipotle cheddar. And then I always get Caesar because we just love Caesar salad with anything. And then there's two more things I wanted to show you that are new that I got. The rest of it's just like regular groceries. But Bubbly came out with a pineapple flavor. Maybe this isn't new, but I've personally never even seen this. So when I was shopping online, I was like, oh my gosh, gotta try that because I really like pineapple. And then I finally decided I was just gonna try the Ahas. So they're like Bubblies and LaCroix. But I haven't tried this brand yet, and it's a new brand, and I got peach and honey because I thought that sounded good. So probably gonna put these all in the fridge and reorganize the fridge. So that's like one of my favorite things to do, is like get the fridge super stocked and organized. So that's what I'm gonna do, and maybe I will bring you along for that. All right, so I'm showing you the before. So I usually organize the fridge like once a week, and usually it's when I get groceries. So it's a little bit not organized right now. We're going to reorganize it, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, guys, we're going to reveal the fridge. Doesn't it just look so much better? My favorite thing is organized drinks. It just looks so stocked and full and happy. Good morning, everyone. I'm sitting in front of the window hoping for good lighting, but it's also really bright, which is a good thing because we need the sun. But I might be squinting, so I apologize. So today is Friday, April 16th, and I had a video that I was going to put up on Sunday because I'm trying to upload every Sunday, in case you didn't know that. I don't think I've actually said that, but I'm uploading every Sunday now. I just didn't get to it yet, so usually by Friday, I have my video either like almost done with editing or even like already uploaded and scheduled to post. And that has just not happened this week. This week has been pretty difficult. And I just want to be honest with you guys. I think that's important, but I just didn't do as much as I was planning. And the video that I was planning on posting is going to take a lot of editing. So I'm going to save it for another time. Obviously, there's so many people suffering, and there's people who are dying, and I'm not trying to lighten that at all, but it's also difficult in other ways too, and that's okay to have those feelings and to feel upset. I live in Wisconsin, and so the governor extended the safer at home order to May 26th, which is the day after Memorial Day, so it's literally really far away. But we were actually planning on taking a trip to Colorado, which is where my family lives, and we were going to be leaving May 19th and coming back on the 25th. And I wasn't sure that this was going to be able to happen with everything going on, but I kind of thought we were still going to be able to go. And there's still a small possibility we might be able to go. I don't really know yet, but just finding out that the order has been extended was just really difficult, and I cried a lot, and I was just really frustrated because I haven't seen some members of my family since November, so not being able to see them until May is like already a really long time, and it was for my sister's graduation, so we were all really excited and all of my family was going to be there. We haven't all been together since my wedding, which was almost 2 years ago, and so it was going to be great to be able to see everyone and catch up and everything. And now that I'm just like not sure that's going to happen, not sure that other members of my family will even be there if we do get to go, and all of that was just really difficult for me. Anyways, I just thought I'd share a little bit of where I'm at with everything going on. I might talk about it more later in the vlog, depending on what happens. But I actually was already kind of vlogging this morning. I just never sat down and like updated you and told you good morning and what was going on, so I thought I would do that. Well, I might put some makeup on later because I am planning on doing some TikToks. So I'm learning the Super Lonely dance, and might try to do some like other kind of TikToks. I've been really into like trying to get TikToks, and actually, speaking of TikTok, you should follow me. I posted a TikTok and it actually has like 15,000 views on it, which is like insane to me that 15,000 people have watched my TikTok. But it was this like really random skit that came to mind. But I'm gonna go do some work now because that is important to get done, and I will see you guys later. Alexa, play Reputation by Taylor Swift everywhere. Well, hi guys. I was just working for a little bit and I got on Instagram and you're getting my raw emotion, and if you think it's stupid that I'm crying about this or probably going to cry, a Taylor Swift concert that I have been looking forward to since October of last year when I bought the tickets just got canceled. She's going to be rescheduling it for 2021, but I knew this was gonna happen. Like, I just knew it was gonna happen. Like, I've been preparing myself, but now I'm just like, literally, yesterday I found out about not probably being able to go see my family in May, and now, like, this is like this huge trip that James and I have been planning since last summer. We had the plane tickets and we had concert tickets and we bought our Airbnb. So now we're not gonna go. So we're probably canceling our whole trip because that was like the reason we were going. I'm really bummed out. Like, really bummed out. I'm turning it this way so that you don't see me crying. I made this at the beginning of 2020 and it was like my mood board for the year. And we were supposed to go to Wicked. That got canceled. We were supposed to go see Taylor Swift. That's canceled. We're not going to California anymore, probably. I'm gonna go eat some lunch and try to stop crying. So, yeah. Funny enough, I was just about to start listening to my playlist on Spotify that I just started making called Good Cry. Because now it's time for a good cry. Hey guys, don't mind the look. It's a great quarantine look. But I'm rearranging our bedroom, and I don't want to give it all away, but basically our bed used to be right where I'm sitting and we like flipped it around. But I'm gonna be doing a house tour eventually, hopefully in the next month or so. So maybe in a couple months. I might wait because I'm waiting to buy a couple things and I don't know if I'm gonna buy them yet or wait. So yeah, I've just been rearranging, and so I would show you what I'm doing, but I kind of want to save it, but there's a couple little sneak peeks. Sorry, I feel like this vlog today is going to be really boring, but I think we all relate. How does it feel to be essential?
I'm actually really thankful to be working.
Okay, but I was being funny. Why are you gonna be serious? Like, ooh, I'm essential. Look at me. I'm so essential.
Can't live without me.
And this is why James is never in vlogs, because this is the level of entertainment we get from him. I don't think I ever showed the vlog what I put on my letterboard. I think you guys would find that entertaining. You heard it here, folks. Wash your hands. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. I am now going to make dinner, so I'm going to try to vlog it. Even though I'm really bad at vlogging making food, I'm going to try. But I thought I'd update you guys on a quick situation in our living room. Sorry it's kind of a mess, but we've been rearranging and such, so we're trying to decide if we even want the coffee table and all that kind of stuff. But we actually had a couch here, and we sold it today to get rid of it because I think we're gonna get a chair to go here instead. And let me try to back up. It just like opens up the room a lot. Again, I'm like sorry, it's everything's kind of a mess, but we sold that couch, so it's gone now. And we just have this one. Now I'm going to try to buy a chair to go here because I just think it opens up the room a lot more. So this is the recipe we are making tonight. So it is beef stroganoff. It's actually super simple ingredients. I think it's super simple ingredients, but it should only take me about 35 minutes to make it. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna make that and I'm gonna try to show you how I make it. All right, so we're gonna start by chopping an onion, and the only reason I'm talking while chopping the onion is to show you something because I just learned this and it has made chopping onions considerably easier. So first I just cut off the ends and then I cut it in half like this so that this can like lay down or whatever, lay flat on the cutting board. And then I finish peeling it. So then what you do is, because it can like sit down, you can get a good grip on it. You're gonna go like this, basically cut it like that. And then you can just hold it and it'll dice right into little pieces. So much easier. I was doing this a complicated way for way too long until one of my friends posted this on her Instagram story and my life was changed. So I thought I would just share, just in case anyone else was in the dark like me. We're just gonna let this let it be covered and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we only have a couple more steps and we're done. Okay, dinner is done. Looks delicious.
There is a sword in Madame Strange's vault, identical to this one, but it is a fake. It was placed there this past summer. And she knows. Professor. As I understand it, he's now headmaster. Snape.
Hi, Maui. Alexa, good night.